Hey dolls, so I am back. So in this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing. This is kind of different for me because this doesn't really have much to do with my channel, but I know that these machines are pretty popular and stuff like that, so I just wanted to unbox mine on camera. But before we get into that, I did want to show you dolls some luxury, affordable, bougie on a budget fragrances. So yeah. Okay dolls, so we are in front of my perfume cabinet, so I'm going to be showing you dolls some bougie on a budget fragrances. These are from Dossier. This is the packaging of the boxes. The boxes are now a nude color. They used to be white, so really cute. And on the inside it's like this really pretty orangey coral color, and it says iconic scents, designer quality, no markup. So basically what Dossier is they have high-end fragrances and they have duped them to make them more affordable, because you guys know perfume can be $100 or more, $300 sometimes. So in this video I have a fragrance that I actually own the bottle to, and then I picked up a different scent as well that I don't personally own. So this first one is actually the Floral Lavender. That is the name of it, from Dossier, and it's inspired by the YSL Libre perfume. I think I showed y'all in a haul video me putting on my YSL Libre. So the notes in this are mandarin, neroli, blackcurrant, jasmine, lavender, orange blossom, vanilla, amber, and musk. So this is my bottle of YSL Libre. Of course the bottles are amazing whenever you purchase the fragrance, but with Dossier you can get the fragrance for less than half the price. I believe on Dossier's website this is about $30, and this bottle retails for over $100. So you do the math, but it smells exactly like the fragrance, like totally like it. The bottle is different and all of that, not a big deal. But yeah, so that is this one. All of the bottles are 1.7 ounces, which is 50 milliliters. The bottles are really cute and they're glass. You have this little label on the front, really clean and sleek, and the caps are actually magnetic, so they just snap onto the top really easily. In each package you will get a little sample like this, and basically what this is for you to test the fragrance out first. So whenever you first get it in, do not use the big bottle, especially if you don't know if you're gonna like it or how it works with your body chemistry. Use the sample size first and see how you like it, how it wears with you. And if you don't like it, you can actually send the package back in with the large bottle and get your money back. And you can also keep this little travel one. I like to keep the travel ones in my purse and stuff like that for touch-ups throughout the day or whatever. I always keep all of my fragrances. I've never sent anything back. So this one is the Floral Lavender, like I said, and this one is a complete dupe of the YSL Libre. So if you have been wanting to get that fragrance and you don't want to spend as much money, definitely check out Dossier to save you some coins. And then another scent that I picked up is the YSL Mon Paris, and this one is called the Floriental Brown Sugar. That is the name of it with Dossier, and the notes in this are bergamot, raspberry, pear, jasmine, orange blossom, brown sugar, patchouli, amber, and vanilla. And that just sounds like so amazing and yummy and something I would totally love. I have never purchased the YSL Mon Paris. It does have a lot of fruity scents in it, but it definitely gives me more of a musky vibe. Like the musky scents in it are kind of like overpowering the fruity scents. I haven't actually worn this one yet, but it smells really good. And I like YSL fragrances, so I wanted to try this one out as well. And once again, you do get the little sample size. My other sticker had came off, but they do have a sticker that labels it, so you will know what it is. And like I said, try this out first. If you don't like it, you can send it back in and get your money back. And all of the fragrances come with this little card that give you all of the info on it. It tells you the fragrance that it's inspired by, and also it gives you the notes and all of that kind of stuff as well. So yeah, let's get into the unboxing. My mom actually purchased a Cricut for us because there are some little projects that we want to do sometimes, and we kind of wanted one, and we didn't want to have to like keep trying to purchase these items online or have someone make these items for us. So we just went ahead and got our own Cricut, and I feel like it'll be great because I can make Amiri all of those little cute bodysuits and shirts and clothes and stuff like that. Whatever we want to make, we will be able to do it now. I actually have a few projects in mind, so if y'all want to see me use my Cricut and put it to use, then let me know. Sorry, I'm shaking the camera, but I have the box right here. So it did just come in. I ordered it last week, and I picked one of the exclusive colors that Joanne carries. Y'all probably already know what color mine is without me even showing you, but the box actually just came not long ago. It's probably not even been here for an hour, so I'm just going to take it out of the brown box that it came in, and then we will try to show y'all. So it is pretty heavy. On the inside, you can see that's how it's looking. Oh my god, y'all, why I just look on the rug right here and look what I just found. I don't know if y'all know this, but dogs toenails, they like shed the whole toenail. So randomly sometimes I will find Versace's toenails, and whenever you go to look and like look at his foot, the toenail is there, like it's already grown out, and it just kind of pushes out the old one. So gross. Just found his toenail on the floor. Going to try to get this out. Okay. Okay, so now I have taken it out, and you can see the color on the side. This color is called the Wild Rose Edition, and this is a bundle set because it did come with a few other things, but I do need to go onto Amazon and get like some heat transfer vinyl and stuff like that, and just pick up some other regular colors of vinyl and glitter ones and all of that, because your girl about to be up in here making stuff. So I'm gonna open it up. I picked this one because it came with some other items, so it was, you know, better to just get the bundle instead of just purchasing the machine. And I wanted a machine that I would like the color and want to look at, because it is pretty big, so it does have to sit out somewhere. And why just get any old color when you can pick what color you want? So in here, I don't know everything about Cricuts yet, but I have been looking at videos. So you have this mat in here, and this is a light grip mat. If y'all know about Cricuts, I'm trying to sound like I know what I'm talking about, but I really don't. And then in here, you do get some different vinyls in here. So this is removable vinyl, and it comes with several different colors, different sheets of vinyl. So we have the removable vinyl, and we have some permanent premium vinyl as well. And this one comes with several different color sheets as well. And then this one is also a premium shimmer vinyl, and these are permanent. I didn't even remember that it came with these glittery ones, so I'll definitely use these. I'm going to be making Amiri some really cute stuff, and then also some stuff for me and my mom as well. And then we also have some transfer tape in here. I know I will probably need to get more of that. Oh wait, so we have another transfer tape. So this is a strong grip transfer tape, and this one I guess is regular. And I know I will have to get some different other boards as well. I've watched a lot of videos. If y'all know about Cricuts, comment down below. And then we also have some printable vinyl, but then we have the machine down in here. So let's see. We also have the weeder in here as well. Amiri is about to wake up, so I have to get this done. And then in here you have like some different pieces that have already been printed out, like that you can use to make different projects. This is the machine. It's actually not as heavy as I thought it was. I feel like the box was more heavy. You also have one of the markers in here as well, a black one. And then we have all of the plugs. And I think you're supposed to have, yeah, you have a scraper in here as well, one of the small ones. So that's what comes in the box. And then let's open it up, moment of truth, to see how the color looks. Because online it was really hard to see. And in some people's videos I liked the color, in some people's videos I hated the color. So I wasn't really sure about it, but I didn't go to the store to look. It looks pretty. Okay. So yes, it's definitely more of a darker hot pink. Like on camera, I feel like it definitely gives off a little bit of a wine vibe. But it's definitely like a hot pink color. So let's just remove the plastic and see if we can show off the true color of it. The color is actually really pretty. It's like a nice dark hot pink color. So yeah, this is gonna be cute, and I'm probably gonna set this up somewhere by my computer, or I may have to add some extra stuff to hold it and get me like some organization for my Cricut. So this is it. I got the Cricut Explore Air 2. So this is how the color looks. I want y'all to really see the color. It's not that big and it's not that heavy. But yeah, so this is it here. I'm not going to take it or open it up any more than that. And that's pretty much it for this video. I have to go, dolls, because my baby is getting up from her nap. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and definitely check out Dossier for some bougie on a budget fragrances. If y'all have any projects in mind that you want to see me do, definitely let me know. And thank you, dolls, for watching. Bye, dolls.